what Odisha all about. Yeah, please. So, historic Rath Yatra festival, which draw millions of devotees every year. Our iconic Konark Sun Temple, UNESCO site. You also have UNESCO site in Telangana as well. Largest brackish lagoon, Chilika Lake, which attract millions of migratory birds annually, and long coastal line. So now it has increased. In fact, in recent survey, 575 kilometer long. Offers. So this is our vision to promote state, develop Odisha as destination of choice for both domestic and international tourists. Our state is one state which offer many experiences, whether it is spiritual and heritage, art and craft, wetland, wildlife, sports, culinary. So this is a bouquet we find in every state. Buddhist tourism, which recently federal budget 3 days back we heard from Honorable Minister of Finance, they are going to promote sites of Buddha's life. We are only a state which has right from Hinayan to Mahayan to Vajrayana. It's all properties in our state. Art and craft, our name Utkal comes from land of our artistic excellence, where we have more than 50 art form with GI tags. Beach, we have 2 blue flag certified beaches, and we are aiming for 5-6 more beaches in next year. Spiritual tourism, we all know our land of temple. Ethnic tribal tourism, we offer many experiences, and of course we are very strong on nature, especially wildlife. We are more than 50 properties. So UNESCO site, temple, this has been our traditional strength of Odisha tourism. Buddhist circuit, which is primarily this Ashoka's conversion from Chanda Ashok to Dharma Ashok after Kalinga War at Dholi. Art craft, we spoke about it. Ethnic tribal, we home 64 plus indigenous tribes. Sports tourism, recently our state added is very strong infrastructure wise. We started from Asian Athletic, 2-time World Cup hockey, and then many international event we organized. So we really want to move towards this newness sector. Wildlife ecotourism, we have 2 national park, 2 tiger reserve, 1 UNESCO biosphere reserve, especially Vitarkanika, 19 wildlife sanctuaries. Nature camp, we have extraordinary property near to nature developed by our forest department. Culinary tourism, our temple food, prasad, which called Chapan Bhog, one of the major rice producing, largest state for aquaculture. Nimantran is recently added our product in Odisha tourism, which offer our excellent cuisine in fine dine restaurants across state. So the matter is about connectivity. Now we are connected with 5-6 cities beyond national boundary, and very well connected within country. Well connected rail and road network. Season, as with you, we also have extreme weather issues, so it's limiting, but still from September to March is our season to travel. And as Indian context, 12-month, 13 festival, and we are more festive, particularly in Odisha. Shopping destination, whether it is about our state run Bayanika Utkalika, or Mayurbhanj stone carving, or Savai Grass, Pipli Applique, or Sambalpur Sadi, or Raghurajpur Pattachitra. So it's full of art. This eco retreat natural site nearby our new product, we offered 7 destinations, part of our promotional effort, which is tent accommodation, glamping thing, 7 locations, 3 on our beaches, 2 in hillside and forest side. These eco tour whole state you can see spread out by forest department. They run by community, so it's a very strong product of community involvement run by forest dwellers nearby. This is our visioning exercise. As the Honorable Prime Minister spoke about vision, especially Viksit Bharat. So we as state are going to complete 100 year in 2036. So we have prepared our vision and we will be working aggressively on it. And this is all you player would be interested that how state is thinking on visioning exercise side. So we want to rank best 3 in Asia on ecological front as destination across 2 priority theme, 15 destination as focused way we want to develop. And the state category hotel room, which is inventory wise, we are not that great, so we want to increase 25,000 keys more in upcoming days. These are the destination across, especially investors who are here. I want to like attention of yours. So fundamentally, we have 2 major strengths. So culture, religious tourism, and nature tourism. So both sector across state. It would be our focus in coming 10-12 years. This is very recently, in 22 we got government approval and we are going for some tweaking as well after formation of new government. They want to do more private sector investment opportunity, how to explore. So present policy offer lot many products, especially on star category hotel, resort, heritage hotel, MICE convention center if someone want to develop resort, health and wellness center again would be big strength with us, tented accommodation, integrated amusement parks, caravan tourism, camping, homestays. We have our industrial development corporation IDCO which allot land which goes with the industrial rate as per our IPR policy 22. We are one of the leading state who offers 30% capital investment subsidy for eligible projects. And what left side you can see all these are our eligible product where you apply and once you are mature after completion you can claim this 30% capital investment subsidy. Ceiling of course 20 CR which is highest among Indian state. We offer interest subsidy up to 5% per annum subject to 1 CR for next 5 years. 100% stamp duty exemption, 100% reimbursement and conversion charges, subsidy on electricity duty, reimbursement 75% on training side, EPF, then environment protection related incentives are available. This is procedure, how investor interested, how to apply. So on our GoSwift portal of industry department, so we are industry, hospital sector, tourism sector. So you decide your particular product, you apply with those certain documents on that portal. We scrutiny if it is project less than 50 CR